Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl and your girl.
So these are the very interesting men that are working. You know, they set up 2 base thingy. Really cool. I also like my neighbors swing, and I've never been over there. But these men are hard at work. Like, God bless them and give them strength. Like, ladies, if your man is out here working, please cook him dinner. Please. Him deserve to be spoiled. No cap. Spoil him. These
Hey guys, welcome back to banger video. So today baptized.
And that's my first question, literally.
Come on, answer question.
Then if you look so,
come now, this is the we should let the world know who we are, God. Come now.
And this you being God. This
Come
is
now.
not the way out.
What age were you when you got baptized?
I think I was about 8 years old when I got baptized or
Just
something like that. I was about 8.
Just 8.
I did not say 8. I said 8.
Child, anyways.
How old were you?
I was 9. I was in grade 3 and I was wearing these straight jeans pants with a color belt. And I remember when God...
How old were you when you received the Holy Ghost?
I remember it just was a couple weeks before birthday. I was about 14.
I was like
13.
I was 18 turning 19, I think, or 19 already when I received the
Stop
Holy
talking, so use a real voice. Stop talking up in your nose.
Ghost. Guys, I was like 8. I was like
You can use the
turning
bloopers.
19.
You can use the...
Guys, and I remember it was like a regular youth night, and they were like, all the youth when the Holy Ghost come to the altar.
Oh no, I know.
And we went. Yo, we're going to the right
I said, brethren, let me tell you about...
And Thalia, guys, this is how Thalia gets his spirit. Yo,
and this is actually... Me I got video her one day. Me couldn't say.
Guys, the power of the Holy Ghost.
You see? I'm going to let's visualize, alright? So we're in a big church, right? And Ashley's on the Ashley's right where the rostrum is, like, you know where they call the altar. We go for prayer, yeah, she stand up there. So I just want you to get in a spirit, she there on her back. A great experience. I would advise anybody to feel the presence.
Serve the Lord.
The real presence.
Serve
the
him.
raw bone. And
So
I'm
much
inviting you
here.
guys to Youth Week. We're having Youth Week. Monday I win. From Monday, that is Monday coming. So pretend you didn't see that. From Monday until Friday, guys. If you miss it, you diss it. And if you miss it, you're fool and dunce and no sense. Make sure you come because there's gonna be a mighty move. A mighty move of God in the presence of the living church. Tell them. Tell a friend to tell a friend. To tell him Hunter. No, come on, tell me. Come on, tell me.
Yes, guys.
To tell everybody, make sure you are there. I am going to be there. I am going to be there. And this is how we will end this video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Guys, be there or be square. The Holy Ghost power is moving just. Hey guys, I have to tell them this before any video. So we remember when we used to go to our other church, right? Big up our other church.
Big up, big up, big up.
Foundation, you see me? We love the church that we're in right now. We are supposed to be there. But I remember when it got to youth service time,
Hello.
week, and we eat what I you them we say we're gonna burst to say.
Hello. We said we're getting a spirit tonight.
Hello, we say.
And we never did a fake it, you know.
Brother,
We just did go there with a heart for worship.
Open a hope and heart. So if you have not yet received the Holy Ghost, if you have not yet received the
Yaga hell.
No, just a tell if you come to church with an open heart.
Yeah,
Yes.
that too.
Come. If you come expecting from the Lord, you see, if you come and say, fill my cup, Lord, I lift it up. He will quench the thirsting of your soul. Brother, heaven. Feed me. Hey, fill my cup, Lord. Get God.
Me a slap it, camera.
Manifestation at what's that? What's that? Manifestation at Holy Ghost in 2022. You heard it here first, niggas. I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth.
No.
I'm gonna wash my face. You like my feet? By the way, check my feet. Outfit check. Thalia.
Remember to subscribe, like. No, we don't do that.
Hi guys, so in today's
Hi
video,
guys, welcome back to Ashley's channel. We are back with another video. Yes.
we wake up from morning and we need to brush.
Me brush my
I
teeth.
need to brush my teeth. I need to wash my face. So me, I gotta do my skincare routine.
Yeah,
My first one of the outfit check, guys. Wait, Jesus.
So I'm going to go get the products, guys.
Yes.
Pause the video.
You know, on.
So we are back. So we have the pear soap and the.
I'm looking at lunch kit. Yes, me Neutrogena. Can I come? Guys, someone can use spermethrin because there's a man in me.
A big one. Look how a ring light shine for my nose.
Yeah, I say look for me.
Yo, we have nose in it. Your nose don't look so big.
Looks are deceiving. Sometimes I see my nose in a video and I say, good God, look how my nose spread across my
Your nose
face like
stand up with
Africa. This week shout out goes to Chrissy, who I know y'all love to see, but she ain't here.
Hey guys, it is Saturday, and I am going to witness today.
Allah, you are telling me I share the meat. Go back to the side. Just in case somebody not get no meat, me just got enough put in one box, and everybody get enough. Now me know say I feel me.
Always run over that. The rice harvest and processing up with problems. So it's a bit heavy. It's a work of some of them are the courthouse. The police say it's a lot. It's giving cheese. It's giving too weird. It's giving